Hey boys, hello, today is 22nd May, and yesterday I also forgot to post that video, and that's why today I'll post this. Oh, I'm sleepy boy, yes, and that's why now I'm getting late for school. It's raining heavy, yes.
Xotiraga qoladi. Ana Mohirbek bizga o'zingiz aqlli gaplaringizdan. Let's speak about something that you know. Let's start with Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, you will be first. Lexon baby, come on. Yes. Ramziddin.
Manavi gaplar bo'lsin. Birovlarning gapi bilan yashayman.
Muhsin.
Kecha boshqadan eshitib, olgan kecha boshqadan eshitib, buga qasam qoldi.
Mana zo'rsan. Savdoga kitobni men yozgan.
Detski emas gaplaringlardan bormi? Detski emas. No, da, вообще hech qaysi biri ham baribir nimadir qilamading, ekib qo'yishding. This boy is my artist friend. Can you just go for here, please? Sit down here, bro. There's light.
Sendan oldin bo'lganlar bo'lgan ben. O'tiraman, qarma cho'ksan nigohingda, go'zallar ko'p lekin bu ko'zlar alohida. O'zimni tanimay qolaman gohida, sendan oldin bo'lganlar bo'lgan behuda. O'tiraman, qarma cho'ksan nigohingda, go'zallar ko'p lekin bu ko'zlar alohida. O'zimni tanimay qolaman gohida, sendan oldin bo'lganlar bo'lgan behuda. O'taman qarma cho'ksam, dildagi barni to'ksam, daylikdan yarim yo'q hali lekin hayotimni yarim yo'q bo'psan. Musibat o'zgardi sen tomon, men yomon yaralarim bitmagan, senga berilganim kamligi bor, o'zingda bo'lgan xatam meni bor, o'zingdagi malakam bor, yurakasiga malham meni tor, men bag'rim tor, sen juda ham nozik beri bardosh etirasan, o'zingizga zilmasdir boshqa.
Tashavvuringizni? Abu tashar. Kamera
O'tiraman, qarma cho'ksan nigohingda, go'zallar ko'p lekin bu ko'zlar alohida. O'zimni tanimay qolaman gohida, sendan oldin bo'lganlar bo'lgan behuda. O'tiraman, qarma cho'ksan nigohingda, go'zallar ko'p lekin bu ko'zlar alohida. O'zimni tanimay qolaman gohida, sendan oldin bo'lganlar bo'lgan behuda.
Yo.
Hello boys, today's gonna be some storms. You, oh my god, oh my god. Go bro, I'm Thor, god of thunder. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god, in my eyes it is so cool, but in camera it can't just give you this kind of emotion. But it is so cool. Amazing boy. Oh my god, it's raining. It dropped this one. Oh my god, it's raining, yes. Oh my god. What the hell? I want to go for this roof and then watch. Let's go, let's go. Give us some storm. Oh my god. Storm, babe. Storm. Oh, it started raining. Yes, it started. And it will do some storm or no? It's doing. Oh my god, it's doing. It is doing some storms. Okay, then. Okay, bros. How are you? How it's been? And now there was a storm, and today was a good day, and for IELTS exam, and tomorrow we will go for Tashkent to get registered to the exam. It's for IGP, and just pay the bill, and I should start studying for this, but I can't do this. I'm stuck in one place. Tomorrow I will buy new earphones, not headphones, earphones, like with such kind of проводы. You know, it's in English ways like I don't know this. It's like this thing. This. Okay. I think they understand, and I'll learn this word after this video. And today is our day is ending. It's 9 o'clock in Uzbekistan, and for good news, I registered for IELTS, but bad news, I can't find studying. And from tomorrow, we'll start with my mother to learn something new, practice more. And now I think I will do some listening tests because I need to do this. And my speaking skills, I think getting better, but I think I should more give attention for basic skills like plural, singular, or something like this. But it's not interesting for you, but I should do this for fixing my mistakes and speak more fluent. Yes. And that's it. Today's day is ending, 22nd May, and yes, 22nd May. It's Friday. End of school. Oh, I don't say this thing. Today is starting. No, it will start from the 1st June, but our schools end up from 25th May. But today's for 24th and 23rd May are. These 2 days are also weekends, and that's why from today's day, from this, it started just a few hours ago because I arrived from school just 3 or 4 hours. It was 7 hours. Oh my god, 7 hours, what I did. And this kind of thing starting new summer. Last year I was fucked with swimming, and also I trained a lot. I get fitted, I lose my fat, and this summer will lose more fat, get more bigger. This kind of things will get bigger. It's just small thing. This also, and get do more exercise, go running. That vlogs will be a lot for you, and we will develop and rise every day, every single day, every moment, every second. We won't waste any of them, and I think, no, I don't think, I'm planning that I will start doing coding, developing AI or such kind of Python, you know, and it will be one of the things that I must do. And okay, future Makhrbek, I will do summary from overall end of this in August maybe. From this summer it will be don't waste it, the best summer ever. I will do. Okay, bros, goodbye.
Come on!
Ничего не видно! Ничего не видно!
Ой, ты что ли? Ты себя снимаешь?
Меня сними!
Mana qanaqa yomg'ir bo'lib yotibdi. Akam manaqda urib yotibdi bu kimidir. Manaqda Ibrohimjon yig'layapti.
Он очень видео очень. Olursan. Совсем что ли? Эй, учер видеоны! It's really heavy. I just went out and gone home. And it's cold. It was just it is this the area that was raining and also that light turned it off. There is so raining. It's so heavy. I just didn't saw this kind of raining just lots of years that it's first in my life, and that's why I want to record my emotions, my
Telefon qisam olmayapti.
okay for reactions only. My God, just there is no light. It's only the this kind of sky is turning, and I can't go out because there's my brothers. And okay, it's just it is such kind of wet. Goodbye, bros. It was the best day. Воду когда? Видно воды? А?
Да, видно теперь. Во, вода потекла
You
просто.
all gain it from this rain. This here rain. You can understand how it's always speed.
Брат, тут
Oh. Okay, bros. It was unexpected rain, and I I'll go for streets, but I can't record the rain because such kind of river in our streets. Ew. There was so many storms.
Aka men faqat вспышкani emas, men uni chiziqni ham ko'rdim.
Me too. Please speak in English. Okay.
I
And,
know English.
I did push-ups in our only yard, in our home yard, but there was in streets cars, and that's why I can't do such kind of recordings, and also this light turned it off, and that's why my brothers were only alone, and such kind of situation where such kind of brothers I have. It was a cool day. This if you want to feel the emotions, the rains drops were on my head, and now my head is just such kind of some headache. I have headache from the raindrops, and I felt that in my bag. It's calm. It was such. You can't understand it. I didn't record it. It's not cool, but
Про какой рекорд он говорит, я не
I'm
знаю,
regretting
но
about
он
this.
слышал.
Just I didn't take my phone, but it was cool. Oh, what the hell?
Что случилось?
What the hell?
Что случилось?
Yes, something now wrong, brothers.
Фонарь.
It is on my phone. I'm doing lights. We don't have lights now too, and it was such kind of good emotions for me. I don't forget this my whole life. Hello, hello, and that's why. I don't know. This video will end it up for today. I saw that I will end it up with this speech that was, but it didn't. Please, take your head, please.
Please, puppy. Okay. Goodbye, brothers. Guys. Yeah, babe.
Subscribe and like to video.
He's this kind of person that speaks only about what? Okay, after this rain, we're sitting down. Hey, there's no lights. It's over there. Also, it's having some storm. Rain was like, oh my god, puppy. And here's that video. I'm just cutting it, and here's Consta. And I'm going for the concert at 10th June. You know, there will be also vlog. The concert vlog. It is my first concert ever. No, I went to the Halklar Dostluğu, but it was just Shah Rukh Khan's concert, and I'm going for the concert of Consta. I will stay there. There were so emotions, new face, new music, new life starts, the artistic skills. Oh my god. Oh my god. You don't understand this kind of, you know, rain we had, and this is the pictures from flat houses, and I can record this, and people who recorded I'm taking from the Instagram histories. Okay, it is so cool. This kind of things we had. Oh, here's the moon. Just after the rain, the this kind of things were so cool. That's open air. There is no, just the clouds are very beautiful. This kind of things. Oh my god. Here's the lake, mini lake. Oh my gosh.